In this video, we'll talk about simplify expression. So let's work on the first problem here. A 12x plus 5x minus 7x plus 2 subtract 7. So the first step you need to do is you group all the like terms together. You see that 12 times x, 5 times x, and negative 7 times x, they are like terms. So we can add or subtract them, right, together. So we group them together. Put the parenthesis right here, right? And then 2 minus 7, they are like term. And then the result is negative 5. You put it down. You see, you can add the coefficient and subtract the coefficient together, right? So 12 plus 5, you get 17. And 17 times x, right? This one. Subtract 7x, you put it down right here. And then minus 5, you put it down here. Now you get 17x minus 7x. So you get 10x minus 5. This is the final answer. Or you can put 5 outside, right? And then you got 2x inside minus 1. 5 times 2x, you got 10x right here. And 5 times negative 1, you got negative 5 right here. Let's work on another problem here. B, negative 3x minus, subtract to minus 2x plus negative 5x plus 2. Right? So the first step we need to do is we group all the like terms together. Similar to question A, you can see that anything multiplied to the variable x, right? Right here, here, and here. We can group them together, right? So negative 3x right here, we put it down. Negative of minus 2x, you see put plus because negative of negative is we got positive, because we consider this one as negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1, you got positive, right? Positive 1. So you got 2x right here. This one you get negative 5x, because add to minus 5, you got minus 5, right? Minus 5x, put it here, and add 2, because 2 is not a like term like the other ones in here. So the next step, we need to perform the addition and subtraction inside the parentheses, right? So you got negative 3x plus 2x, you got negative x minus 5x, right? Then plus 2. Now you get a negative 1x and negative 5x together, right? So you get negative 6x plus 2. So you get a negative 6x plus 2. This is the final answer for question B, because negative 6x and 2 are not like terms, right? Or you can simplify further by, put 2 as a common factor outside. So you got negative 3x right here, plus 1 right here. Because 2 times negative 3x, you got negative 6x. And 2 times 1, you get that 2 right here. And this is the solution for question B. Let's take a look at question C. Now we have negative 2xy minus 2 negative 3yx plus 5x squared. First of all, we need to simplify a little bit. Okay, negative 2xy, you put it down right here. And you see that we get a negative of negative, right? Negative of negative, it's look like a smiley face, right? You got a positive one, right? Negative of negative, you get positive. And you put 3yx down plus 5x squared. We notice that x times y equal to y times x, right? So it means these are like terms. Negative 2xy and 3yx are like terms, which means we can simplify further, right? Like we can rewrite it as 2xy plus 3xy, because y times x equal x times y, right? Plus 5x squared right here. Then you see 3xy minus 2xy, right, equal 1xy, which is xy. They are like terms. We can simplify, right? Plus 5x squared, right? Then you can see that x times y, and then this is 5 times x, right? So x is a common factor. We put x outside. Inside the parentheses, we got y right here. Put it down. And then you got 5 times x, because you see x times 5x, you got 5x squared. And this is the final answer for question C. Let's work on the next problem. D, negative 2x squared y minus 3y squared x plus negative 7yx squared plus 7y plus 2x. First of all, we need to simplify this. First, we put everything down. 2x squared y minus 3y squared x. And then you see plus negative 7yx squared equal to negative 7yx squared. Put 7y and 2x down. Now, what are we going to do next is we need to see which one are the like terms, right? You can see that this one is x squared y, and this is y squared x, right? So these are not like terms, but this one is yx squared right here, right? So negative 2 times x squared times y and negative 7yx squared, they are like terms, so you can group them together. Please keep in mind that you always group the like terms together in order to simplify further, right? And then you put negative 3y squared x down. And you notice 7y and 2x, they are not like terms. So you cannot simplify with them, like you cannot combine them together. So you put them down, right? Now you see, you can combine these, right? They are, the result is negative 9 times x squared times y, right? Subtract 3 times y squared x plus 7y plus 2x. Now, this is the good result, but you can simplify further by factoring. You see, you get some common factor here, negative 3 outside, right? And then x and y, x times y. So you got inside here, you got x, right? Because negative 3xy times x, you got negative no times 3x, right? So you got a negative 9x squared y right here, right? And right here you got y, right here, because you see negative 3xy times y, you got negative 3 times y squared times x, right? Plus 7y plus 2x. See? And this is the final answer for this question.